Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a case study with you. The client's name is Round2IV. We began this project 3 months ago, and now we will review the impact our SEO strategy has had on their website in just 90 days. I will present all the data directly from Google Search Console, ensuring complete transparency. Let us first compare the data from the last 3 months with that of the previous 3 months. You can see the comparison on the screen. This is the most significant achievement of this case study. Before we began, their average position was 33, meaning their website was buried on page 3 or 4 of Google search results. In just 3 months, we improved the average position to 11.2. Now, the website is on the verge of reaching Google's first page, with many keywords already ranking on page 1. Previously, impressions were 78,000, which have increased to 106,000 in the last 3 months. This means the website is now reaching a much larger audience. The number of clicks has also increased due to greater overall visibility. Previously, there were 516 organic clicks. This has now risen to 718. Let's look at a growth chart. The Insights tab states, total clicks on the site have increased by 28% over the past 3 months. Impressions, or views, increased by 26%. The most interesting aspect is that traffic to their main homepage has also increased by 14%, which is a very positive indicator for the business. Take a look at this graph. By the end of September, the graph was relatively flat or parallel. However, after our work began in full swing, in November and especially in December, notice how the graph rises sharply. The blue line and the purple line are now in ascending order. This indicates that the success is not temporary. Rather, the website is experiencing continuous growth. So, that is the power of data-driven SEO. In just 3 months, we improved Round2IV's average position from 33 to 11.2 and increased their traffic by nearly 30%. If you want to achieve transparent, measurable growth for your business, get in touch with us today. Let's begin your growth journey.